Hi there, wealth builders. This is your King speaking, and you are watching Elite Finance King. Welcome to the Pride. Let's get right into it. Today, come and join your King on a journey through the fascinating world of Bitcoin. Wealth builders, were you aware that this exceptional crypto undergoes a distinct event every 4 years? That's correct, and it is referred to as Bitcoin halving. However, here's a question for all of you. Do you have a clear understanding of what precisely this event entails and why it holds such immense significance for the Bitcoin ecosystem? Feel free to comment below if you have any insights. If not, let's waste no time and get started. First things first, let's define what Bitcoin halving is. Wealth builders, this phenomenon occurs approximately every 4 years, reducing the reward that miners receive by half. It acts as a built-in mechanism that guarantees scarcity and carries significant implications for the entire Bitcoin network. To help you understand, imagine this example from your king. You had a pizza, and all of a sudden, you have fewer slices. That's the basic idea. It's a process ingrained into Bitcoin's code to regulate its supply. As simple as that. But let's delve deeper, shall we? The halving holds great importance as it directly influences the rate at which new Bitcoins are generated. In the initial stages of Bitcoin, miners received a reward of 50 Bitcoins for each block they successfully added to the blockchain. Following the first halving in 2012, this reward was halved to 25 Bitcoins per block. The most recent halving, which took place in 2020, further reduced the reward to 6.25 Bitcoins. This decreasing reward system creates a finite supply, mirroring the scarcity often associated with precious metals like gold. You see, the effects of Bitcoin halving extend beyond the immediate reduction in miner rewards. It plays a pivotal role in maintaining Bitcoin's decentralized nature and ensuring that the cryptocurrency does not suffer from inflationary pressures. The idea is to mimic the scarcity and value retention traits of precious metals, thus making Bitcoin a digital store of value. This unique mechanism has garnered attention and speculation in the financial world, with each halving event often accompanied by heightened interest and fluctuations in Bitcoin's market value. Now, for you to understand what this phenomenon is all about, your king will explain how Bitcoin halving actually works, but of course in simpler terms. Imagine a virtual gold mine where miners solve complex mathematical puzzles to earn new Bitcoins. Bitcoin halving is like a scheduled reduction in the rewards, making the process more challenging and preserving the currency's scarcity. It's an ingenious way to control the flow of new Bitcoins. But here's the real deal, wealth builders. Roughly every 4 years, the reward that miners get for successfully mining a block is cut in half. It's like saying, hey miners, you've been getting 12.5 Bitcoins for each block you mine. Now, you'll get 6.25. This reduction is hard-coded into the Bitcoin protocol and is designed to happen 210,000 blocks after the previous halving. Now, this might sound like a miner's worst nightmare, but listen to your king. It's actually crucial for Bitcoin's magic. You see, by halving the rewards, Bitcoin becomes more resistant to inflation, just like gold becomes scarcer over time. So does Bitcoin. This scarcity is a big part of what gives Bitcoin its value. Wealth builders, the impact of Bitcoin halving isn't just felt by miners. It ripples through the entire crypto kingdom. Imagine you have a favorite chocolate bar, and suddenly the manufacturer decides to cut it in half, but the price remains the same. You'd probably start valuing that chocolate bar more because it's now harder to come by. Similarly, with Bitcoin halving, the reduced supply often leads to an increase in demand. And as economic laws go, when demand goes up and supply goes down, the value tends to rise. But before we move on to the next exciting part, I hope you're enjoying the ride, wealth builders. And if you're finding this video helpful so far, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. Also, tell me, wealth builders, what financial topics interest you the most? Your king might just whip up another informative video tailored to your interests. Now, back to our main topic. Alright, wealth builders, we all know that everything has its purpose, right? Well, so does this event. The first purpose of Bitcoin halving is actually to control inflation. You see, by reducing the rate at which new Bitcoins are created, the overall supply is kept in check, preventing runaway inflation and ensuring the stability of the cryptocurrency. Picture this. You have a limited edition collectible, and the fewer there are, the more valuable each piece becomes. Similarly, Bitcoin halving is like a built-in scarcity feature for the digital currency. Your king mentioned earlier that every 4 long years, the reward that miners receive for validating transactions is cut in half. It means that this intentional reduction in the pace of new Bitcoin creation serves as a crucial mechanism to mimic the scarcity and rarity found in precious metals like gold. This controlled scarcity not only preserves the value of existing Bitcoins, but also fosters a sense of trust and predictability in the Bitcoin ecosystem. It's almost like a digital dance between supply and demand, creating a unique economic ballet that keeps the cryptocurrency market on its toes. Now, for the second purpose of why this event is taking place every 4 years, it's managing scarcity and supply. Like I said earlier, just like precious metals, the scarcity of Bitcoin adds to its value. Halving ensures that only a limited number of Bitcoins will ever be in circulation, contributing to its digital gold-like properties. Imagine if there were an unlimited supply of your favorite chocolate. Its allure might diminish over time. Similarly, Bitcoin halving acts as a digital guardian, preventing an oversaturation of the market and maintaining the allure of scarcity. This deliberate reduction in the rate of Bitcoin creation enhances its desirability, as users and investors know that the maximum supply is capped at 21 million. It's almost like creating a virtual masterpiece with a limited palette, where each stroke of scarcity adds depth and value to the overall picture. Wealth builders, this intentional management of supply not only secures the long-term stability of Bitcoin, but also cultivates an environment where the cryptocurrency is viewed not just a transactional tool, but as a digital treasure with intrinsic scarcity. For the third and last reason why Bitcoin halving is happening, let's talk about the implications on prices. The reduced supply coupled with sustained demand often leads to increased prices. It's basic economics, scarcity tends to drive up value. As Bitcoin becomes scarcer due to halving events, the existing supply becomes more precious, creating a ripple effect in the market. Try to imagine this. A collector's item becoming even rarer, causing a surge in interest and demand. Bitcoin halving, in essence, transforms the cryptocurrency into a digital gem, where the controlled reduction of new coins entering circulation sparks anticipation and often triggers a positive response in prices. Wealth builders, your king 100% believes that understanding these purposes gives us insight into why Bitcoin halving is more than just a scheduled event. It's a fundamental aspect of Bitcoin's design, shaping not only its scarcity and security, but also influencing its economic dance in the digital realm. Well, wealth builders, now that we've covered the basics of Bitcoin halving, it's time to delve deeper into this intriguing topic. But for you to avoid being confused with tons of information at once, your king has prepared a separate video. In the next part of this video, we will address thought-provoking questions about this event. For instance, what will happen once all Bitcoins are mined? Moreover, we will explore the profitability of Bitcoin mining in the future. These questions undoubtedly spark curiosity and intrigue, but fear not. Your king is here to provide you with a comprehensive explanation and prepare you for the next Bitcoin halving. Get ready for an exciting episode ahead! There you have it, wealth builders. Once again, if you found this video valuable, your king kindly asks you to drop a like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow financial dreamers. Your support will greatly assist your king in producing more videos like this in the future. I eagerly look forward to your engagement and support. I'll see you next time. And always remember, Pride members, life is short and it's too easy to be average. Make a change today.